Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Trax ACTIV. Coming in this nice silver color, and this vehicle is powered by a 1.2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, got some nice bronze accents, backup camera, roof spoiler with some roof rails, got some nice black trim along this vehicle as well, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle. We do get blind spot detection, as well as we do get a remote start, which is pretty cool for that nice winter weather. We do get block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get lights, cargo cubby, you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get like a little nice cargo tunnel cover, which is pretty handy. And of course you do get your normal storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this gray and black leather interior. You got some yellow stitching, some door space in the back with the floor mat, carpeted interiors. You got USB and USB-C, and some storage, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. But we got the ACTIV logo stitched into the leathering, plenty of door space up front, powered mirrors, windows, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 37,734 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel that's also heated, cruise control, collision, you got your toggle for your screen, phone, volume, music, voice, mute, modes and steering wheel, or not modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. This you just get different options to go through this. And to my right here we got our gear select, you got your parking brake, storage, you got cup holders, a nice little phone slot, traction, auto stop, auto start, more storage here with some outlets, you got USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. We do get our center console here as well with tons of storage. Your climate controls just right here with your hazards. We got heated front seats as well. Storage below. We got our SOS and OnStar services just above your head. And looking here, we do get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities, climate, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM capabilities. We got your phone controls, your information about the vehicles if it wanted to load. Your traction control, you can turn it on or off from here. And we're going to go home real quick with all that fun stuff. Also, shifting into reverse, you do get this nice high-definition backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB83883C, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.